What's up, Wise Flyers? Welcome to another video. Today we're doing the unboxing of the Chase Inc. cash card. Just got it, super excited, and if you're wondering why I am in front of Office Max, it's the best way to take advantage of this card. More on that later and more in detail in another video. So let's get right to the unboxing. Hope you enjoy. When I received the Chase Inc. cash, I got it in the express envelope. If you're approved for any Chase credit card, you could actually call up and have them rush the order. So let's get this out. This is how the envelope comes. I got mine from Westerville, Ohio. We'll just leave that to the side. This is how it comes. Every time I get an envelope like this, I always feel for the plastic. It gets me super excited. This is actually one of the cards I'm most excited about. So let's open this together. I like doing this beforehand, cover up the address. I think it's cool to open it up together. So let's put this part down, toss that. Let's start from the back. Let's see what we got here. So we have the Welcome to Inc. Your Business Card Agreement. So a few different categories here: getting started, letting you know about authorized user, what your credit line is, cash-like transactions, balance transfers, not a good idea, cash advances, not a good idea. If they do offer checks, that is pretty much a cash advance, so you don't want to do that. Foreign transaction fees, none of those. Paying back. So you got to remember, always pay everything in full every single month so you don't have to worry about any of these fees or minimum payments. Also, if you set up auto pay, that really helps as well. This talks about disputing payments. Legal responsibility, security agreement. These are general basics of having the card. You know, it's always good to keep this around just in case you need to reference it. If Trace tries to pull a quick one on you, you know, you have this nearby, but there's also Google, but this is also good to have. So we'll just leave that there. Next is who we are, what we do. So it's always good, like if you get a Chase card or any card, it's good to read through this, kind of thumb through it once. I've had a few of these, so I know the gist. So Chase does share personal information, I guess, and they're letting you know that. If you want to limit sharing, you call this number. That's cool. All right, so let's see. Is this the card? No, not yet. Let me make sure there's no personal information here. All right, so you could see my last 4 digits of the account ending in 2741. So it says I got a credit line of $6,000. Payment is due 21st of every month. You could always change the payment date as well. You always have at least 20 days to pay your bill. APR of 0% for the first 12 months. That doesn't really matter to me because I'm always going to pay. The late payment is $39, which isn't going to apply to me because I'm going to set up auto pay on this card. APR 15%. Which is a lot, you know, if you carry an interest, but if you always pay everything in full and never have to worry about that. I could add employee cards to my account, select the payment due date, which I just said, and ask any questions. As per Richard Quigley, president of Inc. from Chase. Very cool. All right, also here, as I mentioned before, talks about the different fees, balance transfers, $5 or 5%. Yeah, so a lot of these fees aren't really gonna matter to me. It's because I'm paying the card in full all the time. All right, so let's get to the card now. Best part, so as I mentioned before, credit line of $6,000, has my address. To verify the card, you just go to chase.com, verify card, or you could call in. All right, this is the card. Looks great. So Yeah, it's actually very surprising that it doesn't talk about the 5% back or 5 points per dollar spent on certain categories. Anyways, here is the card. Let's take it out. It's a really nice card. It has kind of like a silver metallic look to it. It's a Visa signature, which comes with its own benefits. Yeah, really nice. As you see, it's my business is Wise Flies. Of course, you're watching the channel. Yeah, it's got some flex to it. It's not metal, as you could see. It's just there's no metal sandwich in there. Yeah, I think it's the look-wise, it's nice. I think it's actually nicer looking than the Chase Ink Preferred, just because it has that sleek metallic look. So overall, the unboxing of this is kind of underwhelming. Nothing special, just the card. They actually didn't even say the card benefits, you know, like the 5% categories and stuff like that. But the great thing is it's a no annual fee card. I get 50,000 points after spending 3,000 in 3 months. And the best way to use this card is by buying gift cards, or what I plan on doing is going to Office Depot, buying a bunch of gift cards if I need to make a Home Depot purchase, if we're going to Disney World soon or whatever. I get 5 points per dollar spent with any purchase there by buying gift cards. And if you want to watch other unboxing videos, you could click this link over here. I have a playlist of the other cards that I've unboxed. Hope you enjoy. Click that link now and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.